Today, we're going to learn about two variable equations. These are linear equations in two variables with unknown values. So you should already know what one variable equations are. One variable equations are, for example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. So how would you solve this equation? Well, you'd subtract 3 from both sides. So you isolate the variable, and then you have 2x equals 4, where then you can divide both sides by 2 to get x is equal to 2. So that would be your answer for that one variable equation. Now that we're dealing with two variables, we have two unknowns in the equation that we need to solve for. Now the first equation, there's actually multiple answers to it. Let's say we give the value of x 3 and the value of y is equal to 2. Well, then we get 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, which is true. So then you could say that one solution to the equation is 3, 2. That's one of the solutions. What other solutions could you think of? Well, you could say x is equal to 4, and that would mean y would have to be equal to 1. And so that's another solution, 4, 1. Or you could even say, oh, let's say x is negative 5. If x was negative 5, then y would need to be 10, because negative 5 plus 10 is equal to 5. So then you could say another solution is negative 5, 10. So with this type of two variable equation, there are actually an infinite amount of answers to it. Now, how about the second problem here, where you're given the value of one of the variables, and so you need to solve for the other one? So in this equation here, we're given no value for x, but a value of 2 for y. So we can basically use the value of 2 for y to rewrite the equation. So we get x minus 2 is equal to 3. And then we can add 2 to both sides of the equation, and we get x is equal to 5. And so that's our answer. So now we can fill in the missing value right here, 5, 2. That is the solution to the two variable equation. Again, you can always proof check your answers by plugging in the values. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And finally, let's solve this last one here. We're given a value of 10 for x and nothing for y. So we plug in 10 for x and we get 10 plus 2y is equal to 6. Let's subtract 10 from both sides to isolate the y. So we get 2y is equal to negative 4. So now if we divide both sides by 2, we get y is equal to negative 2. And so that's our answer. And we can plug it in here. And our final answer will be 10, negative 2. We plug in 10 for x and negative 2 for y, and we get 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. And that's true. So that's how we know that's the answer.